In a world filled with fast trends and modern minimalism, a different design movement is quietly capturing hearts across America. The cozy home trend, often known as Grandmacore, blends vintage decor, handmade crochet accents, thrift treasures, and nostalgic charm into spaces that feel warm, personal, and welcoming. More homeowners are choosing comfort over perfection, creating interiors that tell stories and celebrate meaningful objects. Today, we'll explore how Grandmacore, crochet decor, vintage styling, and creative thrift flips are transforming ordinary homes into beautiful sanctuaries filled with character and timeless appeal. Grandmacore has become one of the most beloved interior design trends because it embraces everything that feels familiar, comforting, and authentic. Inspired by traditional homes, heirloom furniture, floral patterns, lace curtains, and cherished collectibles, this aesthetic creates an atmosphere of warmth that modern homes often lack. Unlike fleeting design fads, Grandmacore encourages homeowners to surround themselves with meaningful decor that sparks memories and creates emotional connections. The result is a home that feels lived in, loved, and uniquely personal. One of the most recognizable features of the cozy home trend is the return of crochet decor. Handmade crochet blankets, cushion covers, table runners, and wall hangings are appearing in stylish homes across the United States. These handcrafted elements add texture, softness, and visual warmth that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. Whether displayed in a cozy living room or laid on a bedroom bench, crochet pieces instantly make a space feel inviting while celebrating traditional craftsmanship and DIY creativity. Vintage decor is at the heart of creating a cozy and timeless interior. Antique mirrors, weathered wood furniture, brass candle holders, vintage artwork, and classic floral patterns all contribute to a layered aesthetic rich with personality. Instead of purchasing everything new, homeowners are mixing old and new elements to create curated spaces that feel collected over time. This approach not only enhances visual interest but also helps build a home filled with stories, history, and enduring charm. One reason this trend has exploded in popularity is the growing interest in thrift flip projects. Decorating a beautiful home no longer requires a luxury budget. Creative homeowners are transforming second-hand furniture and forgotten treasures into stunning statement pieces. An outdated dresser can become a charming farmhouse centerpiece, while an old side table can be refreshed with paint and vintage-inspired hardware. Thrift flipping combines sustainability, creativity, and affordability, making it one of the smartest home decorating ideas today. Creating a cozy living room is all about layering textures. Soft crochet throws, velvet pillows, vintage rugs, linen curtains, and distressed wooden furniture work together to create depth and warmth. The secret lies in mixing materials rather than matching everything perfectly. This relaxed approach allows spaces to feel comfortable and approachable while maintaining visual sophistication. Every layer adds another dimension, turning an ordinary room into a welcoming retreat where family and friends naturally want to gather. The cozy home trend favors earthy, calming colors that promote relaxation and comfort. Warm creams, soft beiges, dusty rose tones, sage greens, muted blues, and rich browns create an inviting atmosphere throughout the home. These colors pair beautifully with vintage furniture and handmade accessories while providing a timeless foundation that never feels outdated. Inspired by nature, this palette helps transform interiors into peaceful environments where everyday life feels slower and more intentional. One of the easiest ways to embrace Grandmacore is through thoughtful shelf styling. Instead of displaying generic decor pieces, homeowners are filling shelves with thrift books, family photographs, vintage ceramics, handmade crafts, and treasured keepsakes. These collections tell personal stories and create visual interest that feels authentic rather than staged. The beauty of this approach is that every shelf becomes a reflection of individual experiences, making the home feel genuinely unique. One of the most exciting aspects of modern Grandmacore is its ability to blend luxury with nostalgia. Elegant lighting, high-quality fabrics, and sophisticated finishes can coexist beautifully alongside thrift furniture and handmade crochet accents. This balance creates interiors that feel refined without losing their warmth. The combination of old and new, affordable and luxurious, results in spaces that appear thoughtfully designed while remaining approachable and comfortable. DIY home decor projects play a major role in the cozy home movement. Whether creating crochet pillow covers, refinishing vintage furniture, painting thrift frames, or crafting seasonal decorations, these projects allow homeowners to add personal touches that cannot be purchased in stores. Handmade details contribute authenticity and individuality, helping each room feel like a true reflection of the people who live there. The process itself also adds meaning and enjoyment to decorating. The cozy home trend is more than a decorating style. It is a celebration of comfort, creativity, sustainability, and personal expression. By combining Grandmacore charm, crochet decor, vintage treasures, and inspiring thrift flip ideas, anyone can create a home that feels welcoming and timeless. As more Americans seek meaningful spaces that nurture connection and well-being, this nostalgic yet practical approach continues to grow in popularity. Ultimately, the most beautiful homes are not the most expensive ones, but the ones filled with warmth, memories, and heart.